so hungry I can eat a kangaroo.
They don't have kangaroos in New Zealand. They have kiwis.
Can you eat a kiwi?
No, you can't eat a kiwi, you dummy. They're protected. Let's just go to a cafe.
I got a better idea. Honey.
Hey. Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah, he's pretty cute.
Okay, go. But slowly.
Yeah.
I don't want to scare him.
I used to have a parrot just like this. We should take him home.
No, we can't take him home.
Why not?
Because they're protected.
I'll protect him.
No, you can't. They're numbered. They'll know if he's missing.
He's so friendly. I've never seen anything like that.
He was a decoy, Ryan.
But he's really cute.
Yeah, very cute.